Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another home renovation project. Well, it's a small one, but it makes a huge difference. I did my guest bathroom and I am in love. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen this transformation. I'm not quite done. There are a few touches I still want to add to the space, but so far I am super happy with the results. So let's check it out. And here is the after. I love it. This is exactly what this bathroom needed. It was very white and just so bland. So when I saw this wallpaper on Amazon, I just fell in love with it. I knew it would be perfect for this space. It gives just a nice pop of personality in here, y'all. It was so, I did not use this bathroom because it was just so blah. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen this makeover, but I really love how it turned out. Just wanted to pop in and show you guys. We're approaching the holidays. I'm gonna have some company coming over, so I'm like, let me get this bathroom together. We gotta do something. So I'm like, okay, let's do wallpaper. So I was back and forth between doing the whole bathroom or doing the 2 accent walls, which I'm glad I decided to do because I was really scared of closing the bathroom in. As you can see, it's this wide, like So I opted to do wallpaper on the 2 accent walls, which is the mirror wall and the toilet wall, and I love how it turned out. So I'm going to pop in the video that I posted on Instagram just so you guys can see the process. It was fairly, I don't want to say easy, but because the bathroom is so small, this didn't take as long as I expected. The first wall was a challenge, trying to line up the 2 paper, because I did have to use 2 strips to fit this entire wall, and then I had to match up the boxes, and that was it was challenging, y'all. Like trying to match these, it was challenging. But once I got the first wall down, the second one was pretty simple to do. I absolutely love how it turned out. The wallpaper just makes such a huge difference. The space looks elevated now. It has personality, a lot of style. I just love the print. It's giving me, I don't want to say tribal, but it is tribal, but it's not. It's modern. It ties in really well with my black and white theme that I have going on in the house. The light fixture is from Home Depot. The mirror is Amazon, and the soap dispenser is also Amazon. Now, the vanity is from Home Depot as well. Honestly, this was just kind of like a rush buy when we moved in. We just wanted to change out that old like Hollywood style sink that was in here, so we just bought this on a whim. Now, I would prefer a floating sink in here just because the bathroom is so small, but this will just have to do for now. Now, this wall is still blank. I have not done anything with this wall yet. I am going to be doing some trim on here. I'm gonna do some chair railing here, and then just a few box trim around the top and the bottom to match the living room. I was thinking of like a piece of art here, still playing with that. But I also did the back toilet wall, which I love. I am going to be adding like 2 shelves, and just to put my my reed diffuser on there, and just some greenery, small and cute like this. I got these from Home Goods. So be sure to check down below for the links to everything that I use in this project, and I will catch you guys in the next one.